Welcome to CupidBox.com. Today I reviews Original 6's LCD screen replacement display touch Digitizes screen assembly with tool kits. Original 6's LCD screen replacement display touch Digitizer screen assembly with tool kits descriptions. Brand name, IST. LCD kit, yes. Compatible iPhone model, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 6's screen 3 inches. Display resolution, 1920x1080. Touch screen type, capacitive screen. Compatible brand, Apple iPhone. Model number, ISTSRNI6S/i6s Plus. Name, LCD screen for iPhone 6s Plus replacement. Color, white and black. Package, LCD screen and toolkits and free case. Gift, toolkits and free case. Suitable, replacement screen for iPhone 6s Plus. Tip, please test it after receiving it. Warranty, half of the year. About this LCD screen. 1. Replacement LCD plus frame plus TouchPad Digitizer assembly for iPhone 6s/6s Plus. 2. Complete suitable for iPhone 6s/6s Plus. 3. Each item has been checked and in good condition before shipping out. 4. Professional installation is highly recommended. We will not be responsible for any damages to your cell phone, mobile phone that you may cause during the changing of replacement parts. Advantages. 1. Large quantity in stock. 2. Quality inspection process, make sure every new LCD screen is perfect. 3. The best custom service and warranty for every screen, any quality problems, we would like all refunds to you. 4. Original AAA quality. 5. Shipping every screen in 24 hours after payments confirmed. 6. Every package in a tough package and with tracking information all the way. Discover style of the day. Start with a great and easy shopping experience, and with total satisfaction and killer accessorizing. Thanks for watching.